So today we'll be working on the area behind this bed alongside, how do you do that? Huh? Alongside, no, how come I can't get it? Anyway, alongside, oh, that's difficult. This wall. We are going to be putting a trellis there for our green beans, and so that's what I'm about to work on right now. Okay, so we are going to be doing the no dig method for our green bean plants behind our sweet potato bed, and that is pretty much where you just place down cardboard or something that will break down over time, and then you place the dirt over that. And so I have this paper right here that I'm going to be using, that I use for our potato beds. I'm going to be using it for that spot as well. Um, let's see how it goes. When I fall down, He upholds me. When I'm empty, He sustains me. When my world falls, comes crumbling down, oh, I run to the altar. Okay, so we are going to be installing cattle panels to use as a trellis. And so we are about to install these T-posts, and then we will install this cattle panel. He is my strong tower. Hate all the toiling, what you tore under the sun, striving in my heart to finally become all the woman that I ever dared to dream of. This broken world is hardly a silver flag handed to the dreamers, but my hope is solid in the promise that will keep us in these last days, surrounded by such evil. Brokenness is common like the rocks at the bottom of the stream that flows deep enough to see them, but too deep to retrieve them. Save me, I'm worn out, I'm calling for help. My throat is parched and my eyes fail. These waters deep, I can feel myself sink, turning about. How many times have I given myself up to despair? Lord, forgive me for the one who doubts is like a wave tossed to and fro, unstable in all the ways. Don't let my feet slip. Hold me up by your righteous right hand. I always be inadequate, but with you I can. When I'm broken, He is my healing. Gather all my pieces. 'Cause He makes me whole again. And when my world falls. Okay, so the T-posts are installed and in place. Okay, so since the T-posts are in, the next thing is the soil. Okay, so what I've done is I have made a mound of dirt that's about 4 inches in depth on this side, and on top of the paper on this side I laid some trash bags. So here's going to be pine straw, and then there'll be where I plant the green beans. So green beans only need to be about 1 inch into the dirt, so that's plenty. Okay, so this is a side note for beginners. When you see those 3 numbers on the bags of fertilizer, it's a percentage, and it stands for nitrogen, phosphate, and potassium. Okay, here it is with a pine straw walkway. So our vision for our front yard is to have edible landscape, and this green bean garden is going to bring so much lush and beauty to the front of our yard. We are so excited about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe
and follow along on this journey with us.